Here's a shocking truth. The type of food you eat can make you gain weight, even if you're consuming the exact same number of calories. But here's where it gets controversial. It's not just about calories. It's about how processed your food is. Recent research has uncovered that people gain more weight on an ultra-processed diet compared to a minimally processed one, even when the calorie count remains identical. This finding challenges the long-held belief that weight gain is solely determined by caloric intake. In a groundbreaking study published in Cell Metabolism, researchers compared the effects of nutritionally similar unprocessed and ultra-processed diets on 43 men aged 20 to 35. The results were eye-opening. Men gained approximately 1 kilogram more of fat mass while on the ultra-processed diet, regardless of whether they were consuming a normal or high-calorie intake. And this is the part most people miss. The study revealed that the processed nature of these foods, not just their nutritional content, harms reproductive and metabolic health. Ultra-processed foods, UPFs, which include items like ice cream, processed meats, chips, mass-produced bread, and sugary drinks, are loaded with additives like preservatives, sweeteners, and emulsifiers, ingredients rarely found in home-cooked meals. These foods have already been linked to serious health issues such as obesity, heart disease, cancer, and even early death. But this study digs deeper, showing that UPFs introduce higher levels of pollutants, like phthalates, which are known to disrupt hormones and affect sperm quality. For instance, men on the ultra-processed diet saw a concerning increase in phthalate CXMINP levels, along with decreases in testosterone and follicle-stimulating hormone, key players in sperm production. The researchers from the University of Copenhagen designed the study meticulously. They divided the participants into two groups, feeding one group an ultra-processed diet and the other an unprocessed diet, before switching them after a 3-week break. Both diets were matched in calories, protein, carbs, and fats, ensuring that any differences in weight gain could be attributed to the processing of the food itself. Even more striking, half of the men were given an additional 500 daily calories, yet the weight gain pattern remained consistent. Ultra-processed foods led to more fat accumulation, regardless of calorie intake. Lead researcher Professor Romain Barres expressed astonishment at the findings. We were shocked by how many body functions were disrupted by ultra-processed foods, even in healthy young men. The long-term implications are alarming and highlight the need to revise nutritional guidelines to better protect against chronic disease. Jessica Preston, the study's lead author, added, "Our results prove that ultra-processed foods harm our reproductive and metabolic health, even if they're not eaten in excess. It's the processing itself that makes them harmful." Here's the bold question we're left with. If ultra-processed foods are this detrimental, why are these still so prevalent in our diets? Should we be rethinking our approach to nutrition entirely? Let's spark a conversation. Do you think it's time to prioritize whole, unprocessed foods over convenience? Share your thoughts in the comments below.